Be ready. Start. Some time back, you asked me to let you know the procedure adopted in selecting candidates. In reply, I am to say that company, first of all, will arrive at a clear understanding of the nature of the post to be filled. Then the personal department is ready to start on the next stage of their task for the discovery of a suitable person. First of all, they examine the possibility of filling the post from within the organization by going through their personal records to see if someone could be transferred or promoted to the vacant post. If so, all the various factors such a transfer would involve are considered. If not, the next step is to seek an outsider, and how this is done depends on the nature of the vacancy. If the post calls for the exceptional qualifications or skills, the personnel department might get in touch with a specialized staff agency. In other cases, the vacancy will be advertised in the local press. Para application forms are then sent to those who are considered fit. Apart from asking for such information as name and address, date of birth, and details of educational qualifications, record of the applicant's experience since leaving school or college, address of the employees with whom he worked, salary earned, and reasons for leaving. He is told to return the completed form before a certain date. The returned forms are carefully examined. The information about their educational achievements and experience will eliminate a number of candidates to be selected. After checking up the information given by these applicants, interview letters are sent only to the selected applicants to attend an interview arranged by the company. It is the interview that will decide who should be given the job. It would be a matter of great importance to consider with a interview involves. Hope this is enough for your information. Yours sincerely, manager. Stop.